Hello viewers, my name is Peter. I'm an engineer by profession and a creative type by nature. I was born in England and lived there until my mid-teens. Then I moved with my parents and siblings to the west of Ireland, where my dad took over the running of my grandfather's small farm. I graduated high school in Ireland and attended college in Galway City. After finishing my undergrad, I travelled back to England to attend grad school and then started work as an engineer in the mobile telecoms industry. I worked for 8 years in England before I took a job opportunity in Southern California, and I have been in California ever since. My professional career has been very technical, but throughout my life I have pursued creative outlets in both music and writing. I always had a knack for writing short rhyming poems, but I didn't know about the history and craft of writing poetry. Some years ago, I met a poet laureate at a book festival. He told me about a poetry course that he taught. I signed up, and over the course of a year, I learned about poetic genres, the craft of writing poems, and the business of getting published. After a period of submitting to online literary magazines and competitions for which I had no response, I decided to research YouTube as a platform for promoting my poetry. YouTube is obviously a visual medium, but I wanted to explore how I could transform spoken word poems in a visual space. I'm passionate about learning and creating. Poetry is my most recent creative endeavour. To me, poems are like music in that in the moment they are read or listened to, they're a transient personal experience. But it's a moment which can move the reader or listener through a whole gamut of emotions. The challenge that I'm embarking on is to discover if spoken word poems can reach a wider audience by being a narrative to a visual story. One concern I have, though, is that by presenting my vision of the story, I'm imposing my interpretation of each poem's meaning and context for viewers' consumption. The only way to imagine a different story is for a viewer to close their eyes while listening. But this is part of a creative process, so the message and how it's delivered will evolve over time. So with this channel, I want to do two things. I want to create video tutorials with concrete examples of how to write simple poems for everyday celebrations. I'm hoping viewers can use the examples of the structure and framework presented in each tutorial to write their own personal and unique poem. The second thing you can expect from my channel is videos of original spoken word poems with a variety of visual forms narrated by me and several guest narrators. I'm excited about what's to come, and I hope you'll find the tutorials useful and the visual poems entertaining. That's all from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.